Welcome to today's coding tutorial video. Today we are going to be adding some jump boost blocks to our plugin. I know it. I can't speak. I'm tired. All right. Don't blame me that I am so tired. Welcome. Hopefully you're having a great week so far. Hopefully you watched the videos that came out last week and this week. And if you haven't, go ahead and go check those out. If you are just joining us for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, because I do these pretty much every week, I think. I don't know how often I do these. I record these so far in advance. I don't know what day it is. I'm actually recording this like on the 22nd. It's probably like the 2010th or 2010, the 30th by the time you're watching this or something. But it's beyond what we are talking about today. Today we are adding a new block to a new event to our events class, which is going to do two things. Number one, it's going to go ahead and disable our fall damage, and number two, it's going to add us so when we hit an emerald block, when we have an emerald block, it's going to give us jump boost. So this is what I was showing off over on our jump game mode. We're just going to add one block that does it, and you can work out the rest if you want to add more. So we're going to start by actually setting up the damage, because that's probably the easiest thing. So we're going to set up a new event handler, and we're going to call it public void on fall. And the event is entity damage event. Then just call E again. Then in here, all you got to do is if e.getCause getCause equals entity damage event dot damage cause dot fall. That's all you got to do. And then inside those brackets, you're going to do E, set canceled, true. So pretty much what this says right here is we're detecting for the on-fall event, which is an entity damage event. And if that entity damage event equals fall, we're going to set it to canceled. If not, it will do nothing. Now that we have disabled fall damage, we can go ahead and set up our correct block to make us give a double jump. So this is going to be an event again. So we're going to do event handler. We're going to do public void. We're going to call it on player jump, on player emerald jump. So let's name it like that. It's going to be a player move event, because we're actually going to detect when they hit the block. We're going to get our player by doing player p equals e.getPlayer. We are going to get our location for our player. So we're going to do location. This is a little new. We're going to put L equals p.getLocation. We're going to do that. You want to import for location, you want to import bucket location. Shoot. You want to import bucket location, and it will go away. From here, we're going to do L.add and brackets 0, -1, 0. So what this is doing is it's actually saying, hey, we're going to detect the player's block below you. If you don't put this, not going to work. You're going to fall through the world. It isn't fun. Then we're going to get our block. So we're going to do block. I can't spell. Block. And it's org.bucket.block. So make sure to import the correct one there. B equals L.getBlock. Just like that. Then from here, we can actually check if it's an emerald block. So we're going to do if b.getType equals material dot emerald block. We're going to do something, and in this case we are going to add a potion effect to the player. It's going to be a new potion effect. It's going to be potion effect dot jump, or potion effect type dot jump, sorry. Make sure you put type or it won't work correctly. So potion type jump. It's going to be a duration of 15, so only when you're hitting the block, and an amplifier of 9. So it's going to be a pretty high jump boost. And of course, we'll put our else. So if you're not hitting it, we're just going to return and do nothing. That is our code. That's all we have to do for this one. We have to just say we're going to cancel the fall damage, and we're going to create the double jump. Then we'll go ahead and change our plugin version to 0.6. I know we've passed that a while ago, but I forgot to change it. And our events class is already registered in our main class because it's just the same events class we're just reusing. Now all we have to do is drag in our jar to our server and go ahead and start the server up and join with Minecraft. So I'll go ahead and do that now, and we'll hop in and see what it looks like and see if it worked. When we hit an emerald block, we jump in the air. So it's loading up on the left there. You can see there's no errors yet, and it seems to have enabled tutorial 1 version 0.6, and it imported our NPCs that we told it to import earlier. Now that our Minecraft is loading up in the background, we'll go ahead and join the server momentarily and check if our emerald blocks actually do jump boost and we don't take fall damage, because we canceled the fall damage for the entire server. Now that does cancel the fall damage for the entire server. I'll go into worlds, only disabling and search in worlds and stuff in later videos, and we'll go from there. So we'll log into our server here. Now all we have to do is place down an emerald block and see if we're going to double jump. So we'll go into game mode 1 here, and then we'll grab an emerald block, just like that, place it down. If we stand on it, we should get double jump. Perfect. And we don't take any, and if I go into game mode 0 now, we shouldn't take fall damage when we fall on the ground. Perfect. So our code's working exactly how it's designed to. It's giving us double jump whenever we hit on the block, and we are jumping into the air whenever we hit the block. And if we're not on the block, it doesn't give us jump boost. So if we stand on the block, jump boost, you can see it only lasts the second you move on the block. So if you stop moving on the block, it's not going to give it to you. And then when you touch it again, it's going to give it to you. So it's just enough to get you up and into the air, which is pretty cool. So that is it for this coding tutorial. I kept it quite easy. Remember, when you are done with your code, make sure to go ahead and push it by using GitHub or one of your other things. And we can say added a jump boost, let's say event. And then make sure to commit and push to GitHub or whatever you're using, and it will go ahead and save your code there. In case you ever lose it, you can just download it again, which is so useful. I have backups of all my projects on GitHub too, so very useful. If you have any questions about today's coding tutorial video, please feel free to leave them in the comments or join our Discord server. It's BGHDDevelopment.com/Discord. I'd be happy to help you out with any issues you're having, and I'm glad to support you in any way I can. If you want to become a BGHD developer, please go ahead and check out our application link on our website, BGHDdevelopment.com/apply. You can go ahead and apply for staff there. If you have any questions, again, please let us know on Discord or in our comments section. Make sure to subscribe. These videos come out once a week, and we have videos every single day of the week on other coding matters and development matters within Minecraft and out of Minecraft, which is even cooler. We're going to be expanding our channel soon with adding more content that you guys request. So if you have any suggestions for requests, please also leave those in the comments. They really help us out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Noodles, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Goodbye.